Alrighty guys, Callie the plumber back at it again. Here the previous plumber couldn't get this job finished, so I got the call to make it right. The flush valve was sitting there with an unfinished 1.25 inch copper supply line. I had to solder on a new tailpiece, reconnect everything, and make sure it was ready for service. There's no shortcut here. Clean pipe, flux, heat it properly, and let the solder do its job. After that, I slowly turned the water back on and inspected every joint. Everything held perfectly with 0 leaks. Now here's the part I wasn't expecting. This toilet looks like something you'd find in a prison, and when you flush it, you'll see exactly what I mean. Let me know if you've ever worked on one of these.